to 2024. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You know, the 2024 proved to me that as much as I did all my heart and soul, I was kind to so many people which I know, and the people who were my students for several years. How much I helped the people around me, from one who had thoughts of ending his life, to the one who went to smoke, drugs, bad friendships, to the one who was lazy. Thanks to the grace of God, I helped them. I made them all better and higher. And you know what? The same people and many others, even those who have never seen me up close, who had just heard about my arts, my abilities, all these people joined together to create the darkest day of my life. I cannot tell. Someday maybe. They had immense plans and thoughts and many things that, it's really a long story. I cannot tell in 10 minutes. I may say later. But they could not do anything. Why? Because God took care of me. The universe took care of me and will take care of me always. So why I'm telling you this, I want you to understand, don't trust to anybody. Take care of yourself and listen to this video twice. Okay? And always remember, no one can take your place, and also you cannot take someone else's place too. Focus on yourself. Okay? Take care of yourself. And always remember, there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond.